Hello home bakers, in this cake decorating tutorial, I will share great tips on how you can make black buttercream. This is an example of American buttercream that has been coloured black. It is soft and fluffy and it tastes amazing. You should watch my tutorial on how to make American buttercream. It's so easy to make and tastes amazing. Black buttercream can be difficult to achieve. There is more to it than just adding lots of black food colouring. There are two ingredients I use to make black buttercream: cocoa powder and black food colouring. I add a good helping of cocoa powder to tint the buttercream brown. It is then easier to colour the buttercream from brown to black. If you try to colour buttercream from the original white pale colour to black, you will need to use a lot of food colouring. Too much food colouring can be harmful. It will also alter the texture of your buttercream, and your buttercream will be inedible and taste disgusting. Also, too much food colouring will colour teeth and mouth black. Use a spatula to mix the buttercream and the cocoa powder together. Let me just take a moment to say a big thank you to all my subscribers. And if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button now. Thank you. This is how your buttercream should look once you have mixed it well. Now you are ready to colour it black. Use a good quality black coloured gel food colouring. Add a generous amount to the brown coloured buttercream and mix well. Notice that the buttercream will start to change from brown to a dark grey colour. I add another good squeeze of black food colouring. This is all the food colouring I will add. Keep mixing until the buttercream turns dark grey. The last important step to making black buttercream is allowing time for the colour to develop. When you colour buttercream, especially with dark colours, the colour will deepen with time. This is how you will get a nice deep black colour. Once I have mixed the buttercream, I cover the bowl with cling film. I put the bowl in the fridge and leave it overnight so that the colour will deepen and develop. The next morning, I take the buttercream out of the fridge and let it warm and soften for about 30 minutes. I whip it up in my stand mixer until it's nice and fluffy, then it's all ready to use. Yay! Look at that lovely black colour. It looks good, doesn't it? And that is a simple, easy way to make black buttercream. Try it out at home. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Dr. Mummy Cakes channel. See you next time.